For today's video, we're going to show you what we picked from FabFitFun. It has quite the adventure. Yes, it does. We start off with a freebie. That's always nice. This is from Dove. I've gotten this sample before, whether it was from FabFitFun or another box. I don't know, but I've got at least one other of these. I might have two others of these. It's not my favorite scent. This is Cool Essentials. Apparently it protects you for 72 hours. Oh, I didn't know you were that stinky. Camo? Well, sorry. It's okay for my needs. It's nice to have as a backup. So I'm not knocking it. It's just, I think I've got 3 of them now. One of the things that Anne picked that was exciting is the silver-plated cubic zirconia earrings. These are cute little hoops. These are a nice, decent size where you know you've got a hoop on, yet it's not going to be overly heavy. And I was a little disappointed that the fake diamonds didn't go all the way up the back, but hey, who's going to be looking at the back of my ears? One thing we did discover is one of the cubic zirconias has escaped. And we will scoot over so I can put in a picture. And I did contact customer service and they got back to me within 24 hours. I'm getting a $24 store credit to use at the next shopping opportunity for the box. So that was nice. Another item that Anne picked was the 8-inch frying pan, and it has a retail of $45. This is from Short Stories, and it's a collab with Joe Sasto. I hope I said his name right. I've seen him on a lot of the cooking shows over on Food Network, and I took the opportunity to get an 8-inch frying pan. It's nice in color. That's what the back looks like. One thing I've noticed in just sort of holding it, that yes, it does have a good weight to it. It doesn't feel lopsided. But if I can get this up here, come back wherever you are. The handle has this hole at the end, which I guess is for hanging it up if you have that type of a kitchen. What I've noticed in running my thumb and even my finger now over this is this area up here. It's not sharp, yet it's darn near close to being sharp. So that's something to keep a watch on when using said frying pan. Excuse me, Fatima, I don't want to knock you upside the head. That, you know, you got to be careful you're not running the back of your hand over that area. I could see that as being a potential risk. But for an 8-inch frying pan with a $45 value, because I normally would not go out and spend $45 on an 8-inch pan. That's why we get subscription boxes. Get to try the expensive things for a lesser price. So very true. This is a journal from Rifle Paper Company. It has a retail of $30 and it comes with its own pen. Yes, and that's the outside of the journal. The pages are nicely lined with a little decorative bit at the top. And there is the pen on the outside, and it just occurred to us we didn't bother to check to see if the pen actually works. Good point. Yet, in all honesty, even if the pen didn't work, I wouldn't complain to them. I think the journal is cute. I can always use a good solid book for keeping track of YouTube videos. Oh yes, there is much to keep track of. A whole lot. If you know, you know. From Topicals, Anne picked a $16 lip balm. It is 15 milliliters. I've used this brand before for under eye patches, so I thought, based upon what was being offered to me, I went with the lip balm. It says it is mint, and I've taken a little sniff, and yeah, she is mint. Oh yeah. It almost smells like toothpaste. So we shall see. She will go into the Q lineup, and when it's her turn, we'll see how it works out. Could be nice maybe for the winter time rather than the summer or springtime. Perhaps. This next item has a retail of $42. It is a box of 10 under eye masks. I was excited to see that. I like a good under eye mask, so I decided to pick this one up. Did we say that it has a retail of $42? I can't remember. Beautology Lab Nano Active Gold Hydrolyzed Plant Collagen, Vitamin C, and Hyaluronic Acid. It is to refresh and revitalize. And there's 10 pairs in here. And we know she likes packages of 10. This is from Rise and Shine Ceramics, and I'm being daring holding it with just one hand. It is a fruit bowl. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's not exactly the color scheme of my kitchen, yet I thought it would bring in a nice different pop of color. It's a good size, so it will hold a good amount of fruit. Nice flower design. Nice for the spring. Yes, I hope spring gets here soon. And that had a retail of $45, in case we forgot to say it. I think for this box, my favorite items are the frying pan, the fruit bowl, and the earrings. It was unfortunate that the earrings really aren't as functional as I had hoped they would be. Like I said, I could probably get away with wearing them, but I still wanted to contact customer service because I paid for a functional item. I wanted a functional item. What did you see that you liked? Do you get this box? Let us know. What were your favorites? Did you see anything you want? We have a link down below if you want to give it a try. Currently, the pricing is as follows for the box. Seasonal is up to $70 each season or each quarter. But those that are seasonal now get to pick all 6 categories. They used to only could pick 4. So when the price went up, their amenities went up. For annual, I'm currently at $55 a box, and I get to pick all 6. And the annual has to be paid all up front. So you have to pay for all 4 boxes all up front. And we get first dibs on what you pick. So that's your amenity for paying up front. And it just occurred to me, I did not total up what this box had a value of. I will put that up there somewhere because my math skills are not good enough to sit here and add this up real quick. Neither are I. I'm good at spending. I'm not good at adding up. Editing Anne and friend here. And we are trying the under eye mask that came in the box. They were a doozy. to get out of the package. With that being said, the main reason I'm popping on here is to list out the overall total of the box. The overall total of the box was $243. Now, if we subtract the $65 for the earrings that were broken, that brings it down to $178. However, they are giving me a $24 store credit, so that raises the value back up to $202. So I'm not opposed to that concept because in essence with the $24 credit, okay, I didn't get the earrings I wanted, but they basically reimbursed me for half the cost of what I paid for the box. So that's what we can tell you. That's what we have for you today. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that good stuff. Watch another video. And we hope to see you soon in another video. Yes, we have lots of fun videos coming. See you later.